All right, you guys, Joseph is back. What he's doing right now is what I wanted, which is to kind of close off the dead space up here just to make it look a lot more custom. It may not mean nothing to you today, but once it's done, you're gonna be like, aha, makes a lot of sense. If you look at the space above the cabinets here, that's gonna happen there also. All right, you guys, I am at the back of the house. You can kind of see the window to the wall. Hey. And then I want you guys to see back here. I'm gonna pressure wash all of that back there. And then I want you to see here how that has kind of discolored. I think I've been here now. Well, I think I moved in like the end of March, beginning of April. I actually started like moving in. But the house was like done probably February-ish, January-ish time frame. So I'm about to go ahead and start pressure washing. You guys, outside looks really good. It's about 7 o'clock now. I don't know, that saying, teach a man to fish. I don't know, you know, blah blah blah, you know the whole saying. Right now we're in the teaching the man to fish. Okay, it looks really good. I'm gonna say very similar to me. When my dad used to have me do things like this, I used to be like, for what? I don't need it. What I'm doing this for? But now that I am the age that I am now, I know better. So right now, I'm teaching a man to fish. That way he can be self-sufficient once he gets a little bit older. I'm showing you guys the windowsill. It looks really good and clean. Everything is nice and clean. The door is nice and clean. Very happy. Like I said, for the summer, I'm gonna hire a company to come out and just do everything. This door is actually gonna get painted the exact color as the inside. The reason why I haven't done it is because I'm gonna change all the locks, and then the guy's gonna come to do security cameras front and back. All right, you guys, here is the before and the after. Of course, you guys are gonna get another video fully dedicated to the change up. I am really happy with the look of the bookcase. It looks really good. The dead space was bothering me a bit. I thought having it go all the way to the ceiling created a more custom look, especially considering I took the tape down now, but once the furniture is in here, Christmas trees and all that, I just really wanted it to have a really nice custom finished look to it. So I really love the fact that it was just a small change. It required a little bit of plywood up here in the trim. Joseph, I'll leave his Instagram. He did the work, did an absolutely amazing job. I am going to take the bottom shelving right here, take it into either Lowe's or Home Depot and get the Bear. I can't think of the name of the Bear paint, but it's for cabinetry. And I'm gonna go ahead and probably start painting tomorrow because he's gonna come at 9 o'clock. So by the end of the day, this part here will be done. Then the whole thing will be painted. I'll share the whole painting process so you guys can see beginning to end. Let me just say, I'm really Really thankful for those of you guys that are being patient. I know, you know, it's probably custom to move into a house and start putting furniture in it. But like I said, this year is the year where I really want to go like super hard to see if some bigger opportunities will come to me, which is going to require me to take a little bit more time. The finished look is going to look amazing. I'm really happy. I'm really excited. The same thing is going to be done in the kitchen. I'm not going to show you the kitchen now. I feel like for me being in the house, what, 6 months now, I've really done a whole lot. And the beauty of it is I'm not changing anything. And that's really one of the biggest things that I want you to focus on. Don't focus so much on what I'm buying and how much things are. Focus on the fact that I'm not changing things out. And let me just say, changing things out isn't bad. It's not bad. But the truth of the matter is, when you're doing design, the purpose of it is for you to have a well curated home, meaning things stay the way they are and they stay pretty and they are timeless and all that jazz, regardless of what that may be. So my plan is to make sure that everything that I'm implementing in the house is something that I absolutely love. And you guys, oh, let me go up. I love it. I love it. I can't wait to put some paint on it and it looks really nice and finished. I'm excited. right, really quickly, I'm gonna share with you guys the colors in some of the items that are gonna come. So this is a pillow, this is a pillow, this is a pillow, this is a pillow. This is the bar stools, which I kind of shared before. And then this one here is going to be for the 4 accent chairs. You guys already know. So pretty much, I decided to do this color right here. This almost looks like a mauve-y, pinky, purplish kind of color with like a grayish hue to it. That's going to be the color of the ottoman. The sofa is going to be in a Krypton fabric. I don't have that fabric. I'm actually going to be going to Atlanta to go source it. So I'm going to COM the fabric. I'm really excited. If you guys are unfamiliar, I've spoke about Krypton before. You can spill water and everything on it. I do want the sofa downstairs to be that. I think I'm gonna go with like a cream color for it. And then I have to find the fabric for my bed because I have to do that too. This kind of puts things a little bit more into perspective for you why things are taking the time that they're taking, because I really do want to make sure that once I invest in these pieces, like they're going to be clean, they're going to stay and stand the test of time and all that jazz. But just to kind of give you an idea, it's essentially some of the same elements from the last house. I designed that house. I designed it for what I liked and what I wanted. So you're going to see a lot of the same things implemented again. You guys, this pillow was in the master in the last house. This wasn't, and this wasn't. But the bed and the sofa is probably going to be somewhere within these color palettes. I just put this out. Now that I shared it with you guys, I'm going to go ahead and put it up because I believe the sample is going to be coming. This is not the same blue that was in the master. That blue is actually discontinued. So this is the newer blue color. Let me show you guys real quick. If you can just imagine, it's going to be a chair. A chair right there, okay? So that's going to be the chair there and the chair there. I like the color. It looks really good.